sir.
Hi.
My name is Shreya, and I am from Team Drone Expo. And I'm here to ask you a few questions
Sure.
about you and your company.
Absolutely. Go ahead.
So, give me a brief about yourself and your company.
Okay. My name is Ivan Lucas. I'm the chief software architect for AXLDrone. We have been a drone manufacturing company. With the beauty about us is we have an ERP for drones. So we are into both software and the drones. Yeah. So that is what I typically do in here. Yeah.
That's great to hear. So, what products are you showcasing at Drone Expo 20?
So we have like various drones here. So any surveillance drone. We have a medical drone that is actually for a delivery of medicines. I mean, typically it can deliver anything actually. And now we also have like the event management drones that can be used for like high power lights, and it can also be used for fertilizer, like in farming industry. We have a new concept called tethered drones actually. So I don't think anybody in this Drone Expo has that concept. So that is something that we are conquering for one of the projects. It came as a POC, and then we mastered that one. So we have like a network of drones, and it can cover up to like a major event that is happening, and it can have surveillance in like say 30, 40 square kilometers. How do you do that, right? I mean, it's a network of drones. So that is what the speciality that we are actually. So we have various products, and we have, again, as I said, all our drones come to the software platform. So we have an AI and ML built onto the software platform too. So that's a beauty. It's a 360-degree end-to-end solution provider. Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty interesting, sir. So, coming on to the exhibition, did you find the right visitors for your business, sir?
Absolutely. We got like a lot of contacts, and we are actually, I mean, a lot of people from defense, and it's a beauty, right? I mean, we are also, working with defense in various regions. So it's good that, at this national level, we were able to connect with a lot of people, and we have a lot of contacts, and we are already scheduling, meetings. Already invites started coming as of, based on yesterday, the invites came on today. So for today, the invites, and we are expecting tomorrow it will start flowing. So yeah, it's a good experience. Yeah.
I'm glad to hear that.
Sure.
So, are you looking to participate in the next edition of Drone Expo?
Absolutely. We are looking forward. So we are getting this is like, it's exciting, right?
Yeah.
So now, we would like to venture out and drone industry, I mean, worldwide, it's evolving, and especially in India, it's a good niche opportunity to be in. So we look forward to it. Yeah.
So, we hope to see you again, sir.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for your valuable time.
Pleasure. Yeah.
And we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Take care. Yeah. Bye.